AI and cybersecurity. Protecting your data. In a digitally driven world, cybersecurity has become paramount, not just for organizations, but for individuals as well. The constant evolution of technology, paired with growing cyber threats, makes it imperative to seek innovative solutions. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a powerful ally in the fight against cybercrime, offering advanced strategies to protect sensitive data and maintain privacy. AI systems analyze vast amounts of data far beyond human capability, identifying complex patterns that often go unnoticed. By employing machine learning algorithms, AI can swiftly detect anomalies and potential threats in real time. Imagine AI scanning network traffic continuously, alerting security teams to unusual behavior before any damage occurs. This proactive approach is transforming traditional cybersecurity practices and ensuring a more robust defense against attacks. Additionally, AI enhances threat intelligence by processing and interpreting diverse datasets. This encompasses threat feeds, user behavior, and even global cyber attack trends. With AI's computational power, organizations can visualize threat landscapes and respond effectively, ensuring they stay a step ahead of cybercriminals. Visualize a scenario where a business is shielded from ransomware simply because its AI-powered system caught and neutralized the threat during its preliminary stages. Moreover, AI enhances incident response capabilities significantly. When breaches occur, the speed of response is crucial. AI-driven systems can automate responses, executing predefined actions based on the nature of the threat detected. For instance, if a potential breach is identified, AI can initiate containment measures immediately, isolating affected systems while preserving vital data for forensic analysis. Such rapid response mitigates damage and enables organizations to recover swiftly from setbacks. Ultimately, AI's integration into cybersecurity not only amplifies data protection, but also empowers organizations with insightful analytics. These insights drive informed decision-making, ensuring that resources are efficiently allocated and risks are strategically managed. Imagine having peace of mind, knowing that AI not only supports, but actively strengthens the security perimeter around your sensitive data. In conclusion, AI is reshaping the landscape of cybersecurity, transforming reactive measures into proactive strategies. As cyber threats continue to evolve, so must our defense mechanisms. Embracing AI in cybersecurity is not just an option, it is a necessity. Leveraging this technology ensures the protection of invaluable data, fostering a secure environment for both individuals and businesses alike, keeping cyber threats at bay.